Good morning, student. Welcome to your computer class. I am your computer teacher Shilpa Chauhan. Today we are going to start practical of lesson number 2, more on Windows 10. So let us start. Now our first topic is Window Media Player. Now what is Window Media Player? Window Media Player is a software which is used for playing audio, video and for viewing the images. So let us see the steps to start Window Media Player. For that, first of all, you have to click on Start button. Okay. Then, Window Accessories. From Windows Accessories, select Window Media Player. Now, this is the screen for Window Media Player. Okay. Now, if you want to organize your songs, okay, for that you have to click on Organize. One drop down arrow will come in front of you. Just click on Manage Libraries. Now, Manage Libraries, the pop-up menu list will open in front of you and 4 types of media can be provided. That is music, Windows, pictures and recorded TV. Now, I want to manage the songs in music, so I will click on music. Okay, the music library location window will come in front of you. Just click on add. Okay, now I want to place in picture, so just click on include folder and okay, fine. Now you can play online songs by using online stores. Just click on online store, but for that you will require internet. Okay, in the same way you can easily copy data from computer to CD and from CD to computer by using the RIP CD and CD burning. Okay, burning option is here. Okay, so this is what the Window Media Player. Now next one is display multiple windows at a time. Suppose I am playing a song simultaneously. If I want to work on Excel, okay, if I am working on Excel, now how many windows are open? 2 windows are open. Now I will show you how to display or manage the window. Okay, this is what the taskbar which is present at the bottom of your window, thin strip, okay, is called as the taskbar. Just right click on it. See, options are given: cascade window, show window stack, show window side by side and show desktop. Now I will show you show window side by side. Now here you can easily identify that your 2 windows are open. Okay, now next one I will show you. If we want the desktop where we are working, for that click on show desktop. Okay, now next one is the disk cleanup. Now disk cleanup means what? Disk cleanup means we can delete the files and free memory using the disk cleanup feature. Okay, it allows user to remove files that are no longer needed and files are removed safely. For that also you have to click on start button, then Windows Administrative Tools. On start button click on Windows Administrative Tool. Okay, and select the disk cleanup. Now Disk cleanup dialog box will come in front of you. Select the drive you want to clean up. Okay. Now here drives are given. Whatever drive you want to clean, just click on it and click on OK. Fine. This is what the disk cleanup. Now next topic is the Windows setting. Now what is Windows setting? Windows setting is the new feature that is easy to use tool. Okay. We can easily use the tools whatever we want. For that also you have to click on start button, then settings, now this is what the our setting window, where all the tools are placed for easy access. Okay, we can find whatever tool or whatever app we want to find. Okay, this is what the Windows setting. Fine. Now next one is the control panel. Okay, now for that also just click on, just write down here control panel. Now the window for control panel will open in front of you. Okay. Now here you can adjust your computer setting as per your choice. Fine. I will show you the view. Now large icon is there. In that you can see all the tools present in your computer. Fine. This one is the small icon. Okay. Now first of all we will see how to make a change in mouse setting. Okay. Now click on mouse. See, 4 options are provided here: button, pointers, pointer option, wheel and hardware. 5 options are provided here. Now first one is the button. Now if you click on this one checkbox, it means that you can switch the primary button to secondary buttons. Okay. Now this one is the double click speed. Means what? You can slow or you can do the setting slow and fast from here, like this, in this way. Okay. We will keep it is in middle. And just click on OK. Fine. Again I want to show pointers. Now you can select the pointer as per your choice from here. Okay, suppose I want this one. You can see the preview and just click on OK. Now pointer option is also there. You can increase the speed of your pointer. Fine. This is what the wheel. Now this is the following number of lines at a time, means one screen at a time. You can scroll it. So this is what all about the mouse properties. Now I will show you how to change the date and time. Okay, you can easily change the date and time and set that date and time. Okay, even you can change the time zone also. For that, click on set date and time. The dialog box will come in front of you and just click on change date and time option. Okay, and from here you can set the time. Fine. From here you can set the time, and from here you can set the date and time. Okay, and just click on OK. This is what the how to set the date and time. Now appearance and personalization. Now appearance and personalization means in these you can make change on your desktop, like you can set themes, you can set background, you can set the color, okay, background color, fine. So it depends on user, whatever picture, whatever background you want, you can easily select and just click on OK button. Now these are the themes. For themes also select the themes whatever you want, fine. Colors, now here blue color is there. If you want another color, you can choose Windows color from this palette. Okay, now the last one is the taskbar. Now see, lock taskbar. Lock taskbar means what? Your taskbar is locked, it will not move. Okay, now here lock taskbar is selected. Now next one is the automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Means suppose you are not working over here, so that taskbar will be hide. Okay, next one is automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. In taskbar mode you can hide the taskbar. In tablet mode you can hide the taskbar. Again, next one is the use small taskbar buttons. Here buttons can be visible in small icons. Okay, and next one is the use pick to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the show desktop button at the end of the taskbar. Okay, now one more facility is provided by taskbar is taskbar location on the screen. Now here when you click on this drop down arrow, you will get 4 options. Which are they? Top, bottom, right and left. Means what? You can place your taskbar on top, bottom, right and left according to your choice. But normally we place taskbar at the bottom. This is what all about the chapter. Okay. Thank you student. Have a nice day.